Question 6, we've got to describe this locus here. So it's an argument one, isn't it? So it's the argument of z, and then where's it based? It's based at 1, so z minus 1, and the argument of z minus 1 is pi over 3. The second one here, we have a circle. So if it's a circle one, it's the modulus of this. And it's the modulus of, so the center is at 1 and 2i, so minus 1 minus 2i. And the radius, we can spot the radius. The radius is from here to here, and that radius there is the x value of that. So the radius is equal to 1 for that one there. Let's keep going and do number 7 as well. So number 7, again, we've got a circle. So it's the modulus of z minus 1 plus I at that time, because it's a minus 1 on the imaginary axis. Again, the radius of that one there is 1, and we're shaded in everything inside it, so less than or equal to 1. Now, it does say in set notation, so maybe we should add a little bit around this and say z belongs to a complex number, and then write all of that, and then put it in little curly brackets. Let's do the next one properly, shall we then? Let's move that all the way down to there so you can see it. So part B, right, so let's do curly bracket first of all. Z belongs to the set of complex numbers. And first of all, we have a circle here that's got a radius of 5. It's the center at the origin, so it's just Z is less than or equal to 5. That gives me everything inside the circle, but I also want to have something to do with the argument as well. The argument of z, again, it's based at the origin here, so I've got not z minus anything or anything like that. And the upper end of that, oh wow, that's fun. So that's pi over 4 from there. So if there to there is pi over 4, that's 45 degrees. There to there is pi over 4 as well. So I think the upper end of that is pi over 4. And the lower end of that, I might use the calculator to show you that bit, especially if you can't do fractions. So we're saying this point here is pi over 4. Let's put that in, pi over 4. And we want to go anti-clockwise 2/3 pi. So 2 pi. Oops. 2 pi over 3. So the lower end of that is minus 5/12 pi. And oops, end that in another curly bracket. You know, I've made a mistake again there, isn't it? I've not written z belongs to complex numbers in that part there as well. So I think that is my full, and I've not done the end of the modulus sign. Well, I'm not redoing it, but that's what I think it is.